Mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto akinyiria kigomano-ini kia honge na kambuni cia kuramata kigina gya ukuru-ini na mubango wa kwaraniria na kwigwithaniria na kambuni ici kugia na unyitaniri makiria honge-ini itiganite cia thirikari niguo kurehe uguni na ukuria kuri bururi undu umwe na guteithiriria aigithia kambuni ici aria ni aruti wira honge-ini itiganite cia bururi kugunikaga na kigina giki ukuru-ini wao.
I have said going forward I will not be borrowing, but I am ready to borrow from you. Yeah? Because you are doing a good job. And I know the ultimate beneficiaries are the citizens of our good country. Many of them in doing many small jobs.
Mutongoria wa bururi akiranira mubango wa thirikari kung'ethanira na turianime aria kaingi mahofanagiria akenya na kumakungagia wara ukuru-ini wao. Guko akimathingata kunyitanira mubango-ini wa waki wa nyumba cia thogora wa thi undu uria gwetete ta kihonia gia thina uyu.
Instead of wasting all your time looking for pieces of land this way, that way and the other place, we want to consolidate all that in our housing program. And we will make affordable houses ready for you to either sell to your members or invest in for those who want mortgages on long term.
Mutongoria wa bururi akoretwo akihinyiriria bata wa kuongerera kigina kiria akenya maigithagia umwe gya ukuru-ini ta njira ya gukuria muthitho wa bururi. Akiuga thirikari ni ihariirie kuoyaga ngombo kuma kuri kigina giki kuhingia tabarira itiganite niguo gwithema kuoyaga ngombo cia mabururi ma na njira iria ugite ciongererekete na gikiro kinene.
How proud will you be if you can not only make your pensioners benefit but also contribute to developing your country? You can proudly say, we built these roads.
Narita njira ya kuonania wirutiri wa thirikari hari kunyitirira honge ici cia wigithia. President nianiriire mubango wa kuriha mathire mothe maria thirikari iri namo ma honge ici ihinda-ini ria miaka iri yukite. Guko akimathingata nao kwihariria kurutithania wira na thirikari.
That we have collected money from your members and we have not remitted to your schemes. I think we just need to right the wrongs and make sure that every money that we have collected, every money that is due to our pension schemes must be made available to our pension schemes, to the SACCOs, and to all the other infrastructure that help us with savings in the country.
Gwithemana Kameme TV, jitagwo Mahura Wagunyama.